Hello and welcome to my video series on how to use Google SketchUp. Today's objectives will be learning how to install Google SketchUp through your web browser.
So picking up where we last left off, what you want to do first is open up a web browser, and what we'll do is go to the Google search page right here, and you want to make sure you're also logged into your Philadelphia School District email, which is through Google, or if you don't have that, logging in through just making an account with Google Gmail. Once you do that, what you want to do is you'll go to this website right here, which I'll paste in right now. gsuite.google.com/marketplace, and then we can go specifically from there. So you want to go to this website right here, and then this will take you to the different apps that you can download into your Google Drive. So the one that we want is SketchUp. So for me right now, it's at the top of my search right here because I looked it up already. But if you can't find it, you just type in SketchUp for schools, which is right there. Select it, and we can see this right here. So once you do that, you'll go ahead and click it, and then you'll get to this right here that says Drive add-on, and then you just go to the section beneath here that says Install. So you click that, hit continue, and then if you aren't already signed into your Google account, it'll ask you to do so, but I'll just do mine right here. You'll add your password if you haven't already signed in, and then what you have to do is click allow down here. Then it'll give it a couple of minutes, it'll install, and then basically you can just say done once you're all finished. So to actually find where this program is, what you need to do is you'll go up to this indication right here, these 9 little boxes right here, and you go to Google Apps, and then you go to Drive. And what you'll do from here is go to New, and then you go to More down here, and then you should get a list of different apps that have been installed. So you go to here, More, and then for us we want to go to school, SketchUp for schools. So you select that, and then you're brought to the SketchUp interface. Just sign in with Google like you did before. Hit allow, and then you're brought to the SketchUp interface. So this basically is the SketchUp program that we'll use to learn how to do CAD modeling. And the nice thing about here, it just runs in your browser, so you don't have to install anything onto your computer. So in the next video, we'll learn some of the basics on how to use the interface in here and just get a little bit an introduction on how to do everything.